Hello. Ayan, ito ang first day ng ating Eid. At ito ngayong aking damit. First day ng Eid. Hello everyone. Happy Eid sa lahat ng Muslim all over the world. So, itong first day namin, so simple lang yung aming celebration kasi kami lang. Bukas pa yung aming mga bisita. At ito nga ang 3 sets of dresses na isusuot ko for the 3-day celebration of Eid. At dahil nga Eid, nagluto ako ng matamis. Ito ay shawarma. At syempre, meron tayong Filipino dish also, which is macaroni salad. At nag-fried ako ng chicken. Simple fried chicken na marinate and fried fish. Talagang mix yung Filipino and Pakistani food. And of course, we must have salan. This is chicken with green peas. And the fruits. Prutas pa rin talaga kahit tapos na ang Ramadan. Wala kaming bisita for the first day of Eid kasi we have a patient and walang magluluto ng napakaraming lutuin, walang maghuhugas dahil our Mas is also on vacation because of Eid. Of course, we have to celebrate the Eid, so we will be celebrating it within our family. But tomorrow, we have visitors to come. This is the dress that I am going to wear for the first day of Eid. Speaking of Pakistani dress, when you say Pakistani dress, it should be the one set of dress which has 3 pieces of clothes. These are the trouser, the shirt, and the dubata, and of course the shoes. The shoes must be also the combination of the dress that you are going to wear. So this is the dress that I am wearing for the first day of Eid, and you can wear it the way you want. It's up to you if how you will wear it. First Eid day, or first dress natin for this year's for 2026 Eid. Okay, so yan yung ating first day. At syempre kailangan mayroon tayong tikaw na katerno. Talaga, dapat katerno yung ating tikaw. At ang ating sing-sing. Actually, fancy lang yan. Hindi na ako naglagay ng necklace kasi nga yung ating neckline ay okay na. Mag-over naman yung ating, mag-over decoration tayo kapag tayo ay naglagay pa ng, anong tawag doon? Necklace, diba? So, tama lang yan. Ito po, ganito po dito sa Pakistan ng ating lifestyle. So talaga naka-makeup ang lola nyo. Pinulahan ko ng konti para talagang kabagay na pagkabagay ng ating damit. Actually, yung damit ko hindi siya red, maroon. Pink maroon siya. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe.